Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your BMW 1 Series. Before you begin, ensure your car is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental rolling. Having the right equipment, like a reliable hydraulic jack and 2 robust jack stands, is crucial for your safety and the vehicle's stability during the process. Your BMW 1 Series has 4 designated jack points, which are essential for safe lifting. These are typically small, reinforced plastic pads found along the underside of the side skirts, one near each wheel. They are designed to withstand the vehicle's weight without causing damage. Always double-check your owner's manual to confirm the exact placement for your specific model, ensuring you use the correct spots. Once you have located a jack point, position your hydraulic jack directly underneath it. Ensure the jack head is centered on the reinforced pad. Slowly pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle. Lift it just enough so the tire clears the ground by a few inches. Immediately place your jack stands under a strong part of the frame. Then gently lower the car until its weight rests firmly on the stands, not just the jack. When you are ready to lower your BMW, first use the hydraulic jack to slightly lift the car off the jack stands. This takes the weight off the stands, allowing you to safely remove them. Once the stands are clear, slowly and carefully release the pressure on the jack, lowering the vehicle smoothly to the ground. Finally, remove the jack and any wheel chocks and perform a quick brake check before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.